What is up, Pokemon fans? My wife says hi right now. She's sitting down in the back. So, yeah. How's your guys' day going so far? We're good. We got a lot of stuff done, so it's better now. So yeah. But today I've got my second mystery power box here. First one that opened wasn't that good. I mean, it was okay, but hopefully this box can be better. I still haven't found more mystery power boxes yet, aside from the ones that I found. So still looking for more, if there is more that I can find. But yeah, so let's get on with this. I have my yeller scissors. Yeller scissors. Oh, you know what? Let's just. There we go. Okay. Let me put my scissors away before someone gets hurt.
Pretty cool.
Like Casper, I don't know. So let's rip this over the top. Okay. So we are hoping to pull a vintage out of one of these 6 boxes that I have. So we got a Roaring Skies. Nice. We got a Furious Fist. Another Furious Fist. No vintage pack and a Primal Clash. The Deoxys coin. Cool. So no vintage pack. And then the other Primal Clash that's on the front. Close this box up. Alright. So 2 Primal, 2 Furious Fists, and a Roaring Skies. We will save Roaring Skies for later. For last. Because Roaring Skies is a better set. That's why. Got my sleeves ready. Okay, let's do this. Three. So 5 packs. We're hoping to pull an EX, maybe 2 EXs, maybe. I don't know. Let's find out though. Cupchew, bless you. A Sylveon, nice evolution card right there. And a Politoed. So we got a reverse rare, which is nice. Primal Fish. Well, no wait. This is a Primal Beast. Primal Groudon. Pack art. Vibrava. Shrine of Memories. Lantern. Nidoran. Nidoran is like debating on what berries she should eat. Yeah, I don't know. She has like 1 berry right there and then 4 more in front of her. Maybe she's like, I don't know. She's mesmerized by it or something like that. Bidoof. Electrite and a Starmie. So not doing too good for the first 2 packs. Okay, we're on our last Furious Fist. Corina, Training Center, Machoke, Patrat, Electabuzz, Sane, whatever. Clefairy, Makuhita, Drowsy, Trapinch. Hey, wow! Nice pull right there. A full art, Mega, well not Mega, a full art Heracross, which is not too bad. It's a full art. Awesome. So nice pull right there. Okay, last Primo Clash Pack. So because Primo Clash is getting a reprint, I wonder how that's gonna go. I mean, kind of happy to get that they're getting a reprint. I mean, I haven't really opened much Primal Clash, so this gives me the chance, and many others who haven't had the chance to do it, to open more Primal Clash packs. Alright, so we got Shrine of Memory, Repeat Ball, Masquerain, Torchic, Sphere, Trapinch, Nidoran again, Mesmerized by Berries, Slugma, a Mudkip hiding underneath there or something, and hey, nice, another one. So we got a EX, a Wailord EX. The hell am I saying? Nice. So we got 2 EXs out of 5 packs so far. Well, 4 packs right now. It's turning to be a pretty good box, I say. 2 EXs, can't complain. Alright, Ryan Skies. Can we end it with a bang? Can we do this?
No.
My wife says no. Let's find out. Three in the front. Okay. So we got a Tranquil, a Revive, Galate Spirit Link, Electric, Talo, Bagon, P-Dove, Swablu, Reverse Inkay, the Devious Inkay, and the final rare of this mystery power box is Altaria. So we didn't do it. We didn't get an EX or a holo on that one. But this was an awesome box, to say the least. We got a Wailord EX and a Heracross EX full art. Nice. I haven't had this card, so it's nice to get this card out of Furious Fist. I think I have this one already, so it's good to always get another one. Awesome. Well, here it is, guys. The highlights for this mystery power box. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you did not like the video, leave a dislike. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more Pokemon openings, and I'll see you guys in the next mystery power box opening. Later.